Hey, this is Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out permission.io, and maybe you want to find out, can you really earn crypto just by sharing your data with brands that you already trust? Let's check this all out, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if permission.io is the good or the ugly. Is this a good way for you to make money online, okay? Now, permission.io is actually a data collection website. It's been around for quite many years. And what they do is they work with different brands and they allow you to give these brands permission to use your data, collect it, and they'll pay you a little bit of money in exchange for allowing them to do so, all right? Now, the cool thing about permission.io is that it's global. You can sign up from anywhere. It's free. So just click on sign up right here, give them your details, and once you log in, you're going to come to a dashboard that looks something like this. So if I'm in my home dashboard right now, you're going to see that you can opt into a lot of different companies, and you'll probably recognize some of these companies like Hollister, Philippine Airlines, Sears, Chevrolet, Alo Yoga, which is really big right now, right? Aldo Shoes, Alpha Pore, things like that, right? And if I click on, let's just say Sears, I just have to click on opt-in. I click on opt-in right here, and they will reward me something called an ask coin, 25 ask coins just for opting in. Now, once I opt in, what I'm actually allowing them to do is collect my data. Okay, so the whole thing about permission.io is that since these companies are going to be using your data anyway online, the whole argument is, why don't you just get paid for allowing people to use your data? Okay, now once they use your data, they'll use it for market research, product improvement, different marketing strategies, things like that, all right? And they're gonna pay you a little bit of money for allowing them to use your data. That's all it is, all right? So as you opt in, you're gonna earn more ask points, all right? Now let's talk about how much these ask points are worth, all right? So if we come to redeem on the left-hand side, you're going to see that there are some offers that are available to you depending on where you live in the world. So it's going to be different for every country. Now, Spotify is going to require 40,000 ask points for you to convert into rewards. Nintendo 40,000, Apple iTunes 20,000, Google Play 40,000, okay? Now, 40,000 ask coins is equivalent to $10. All right, so just so that you remember these numbers, 40,000 ask coins is equivalent to $10. So let's just see on average how much we get paid for every company that we opt into, right? So most of them are about 25. All right, now there are some offers that are a little bit higher, like MetaMask is 88, Marriott is 75, Polygon is 63, Airbnb is 50, right? But for the most part, most of them are about 25. So let's do the math, okay? If we need 40,000 ask points to withdraw $10, how many actions do you need to take? How many opt-ins do you have to opt into? How many companies do you have to opt into to receive $10, right? So 40,000 divided by 25 is 1,600. So you have to opt into 1,600 companies in order to make $10. Now, it's going to take a little while for you to opt into 1,600 companies because it's just going to take time. So you have to sit here and sort of click onto every single one, do this 1,600 times, and then you'll have enough points to redeem basically 40,000. All right, now if you wanted to redeem the Apple and iTunes one, which is $5, that's 20,000, then it would take you 800 opt-ins, right? So again, you need a little bit of patience to do this, just so that you understand, right? And this is one of the ways that you can exchange your coins into a gift card, right? Now, if you want to exchange it into crypto, right? So the interesting thing is the ask coin is a real coin. So if you go on to Google or any of the big networks, crypto networks like Binance, and have a look at what the worth of an ask coin is, it's going to be different depending on when you watch this video, okay? But at the time of recording this video, the ask coin is worth a thousandth of a cent, all right? So it's not worth that much currently, but it depends on when you watch this video. It may go up, crypto projects tend to go up, they go down. It really depends on the timeline or when you actually watch this actual video, okay? So if it's worth a lot of money or more money, it may be worth it for you to go to your wallet and withdraw it, because it only requires 5,000 ask coins to withdraw to your wallet. Okay, so you can withdraw to Polygon, and they've got a different wallet right here, Base, okay? And then you can take that and you can convert your coins into USD, right? So it just depends. If it's worth enough, you can withdraw it here, because 5,000 is you only need to do about 400 actions versus 1,600 or 800. So still a lot of actions, but a little bit less so that you can get it out into your wallet. But if it's not worth it to do that, then you may just have to wait until you amass 20,000 ask coins before you withdraw, okay? So, it's one of those things where, they're going to give you a little bit of money in exchange for the actions that you take, in exchange for your data, but it's still going to require quite a lot of patience and a lot of action for you to actually amass up to 20,000 Ask coins if you want one of these gift cards. Okay, 40,000 for some of the other gift coins. Your wallet is only going to require 5,000, but still, you know, this is not something that's going to make you rich, right? It's going to take a little bit of time, a bit of patience. They're going to give you a little bit of money in exchange for your data. So you can check it out if you want. Just head over to permission.io. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate even more income. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the good ones, there was one strategy that I used to completely change my life. I used it to replace my full-time income. If you would like to check out that strategy, I cover it in my masterclass step-by-step by just clicking the link right below this video. You can access that for free. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of permission.io. All the best to you, and I will see you on the next one.